Quilting is hands down my favorite hobby for so many reasons. First and foremost, it saves me from the dreadful task of washing dishes. I mean, who wants to spend hours scrubbing plates and bowls when you can be creating something beautiful instead? Quilting allows me to escape the monotony of daily chores and immerse myself in a world of creativity and artistry. Another reason why quilting has stolen my heart is that I'm not rich enough to shop every day. Let's face it, buying new clothes and accessories can get pricey. But with quilting, I can create my very own masterpieces without breaking the bank. It's a fantastic way to express my personal style and add a touch of uniqueness to my home without splurging on expensive items. Furthermore, crochet makes my hands hurt, but quilting, it's a gentle and soothing activity. That doesn't take a toll on my weary hands. I can spend hours sewing and piecing together fabrics without feeling any discomfort. Quilting helps me relax and unwind after a long day, providing a peaceful and satisfying experience that other hobbies simply cannot offer. Did I mention how much I love puzzles? Well, quilting is like a giant puzzle that I get to put together piece by piece. With every fabric square and pattern, I'm challenged to find the perfect arrangement and create a cohesive design. It's a mental exercise that keeps my mind sharp and engaged, all while indulging in my passion for beautiful textiles. And speaking of beauty, quilts are absolutely stunning. The intricate patterns, vibrant colors, and meticulous craftsmanship make them true works of art. It's incredibly satisfying to witness a pile of fabric transform into a breathtaking quilt that can be cherished for generations. Quilts bring warmth and beauty into any space, and I take great pride in knowing that I've poured my heart and soul into creating something so special. In conclusion, the reasons why quilting is my favorite hobby are crystal clear. From escaping dish duty to embracing creativity on a budget, from preserving the well-being works of art to adding warmth of my hands to indulging in a puzzle-like surroundings, and from creating beautiful, quilting truly encompasses all that I love and value.